Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Sunday. Y'all know partial time on Sunday. I am in mechanic mode just to get caught up on some things. Only if I got some free time. And I just happen to have. This is a friend of mine, so I'm gonna make time. Oh, y'all remember the Subaru? Can't remember what kind of car that was. That's overheating, and I didn't have the adapter. Well, I had to borrow my friend's complete coolant tester pressure kit, and I think, at least I want to hope, the adapter to that car is in that kit. So I'm headed back over my man's house now to hopefully come to a conclusion. I mean, if we got to get I don't want to just replace the water pump if it's not leaking. I don't want to replace anything unless it's leaking. Now the reason it's overheating, I think, because all the fluid had left. All the fluid, it was empty. So it's hard for us to sit there and get it to overheat because he have since refilled the cooling system. Sometimes you can mask your own problem, guys. You can mask your own problem. So because it now have liquid in it, it don't even have to be antifreeze. It can be water at this point. Now that something is in it, I want to see what it is. Okay, so let me pull up. This is how I'm right here. I gotta pressurize this system and see if I can get it to leak. All right, guys. So y'all, Hyundai. What did I say? Subaru. Y'all hold tight. Let me find out. See if he home so we can get this thing pressurized. All right, hold tight. Let's get it. Yeah. See what we got here. Hopefully, it's adapter to this car. It's in this. It's an old Snap-on. Yeah, I want to hope it's this one. At least I hope it is. Yeah. So we got to put pressure on it.
Turn it on or?
Hold on. All right, got it running under pressure. Let's see if this pressure can come out. Pressure going down, but I'm not losing coolant. Well, I don't see a drip. I see some of it. So it might be like right here on this hose. Let me pump this up some.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Oh, see, that's in the radiator, dude. Wait a minute. Yeah, oh, back it and make sure it's not in the neck of that radiator. Yeah, see, it's pissing out right there.
Yeah, I see that.
Carry.
So that's why all this coolant on the neck will make you think it's the seam. It's hard to tell if it's this hose or the neck. Somebody must have had that hose off. Let me see if I got some pliers. You got a pair of pliers?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm gonna relocate this clamp and put pressure back on it and see. I'm gonna take the pressure off of it. See, that's what you don't want because it'll mask your finding. So it might just be a radiator hose. Alright guys, I'm no big fan of these clamps. But it don't look like that. Look like, can y'all see that? Ooh, that's out of the neck. Hey, pump this up for me. See something. See, that's right there.
Yeah.
That's in the neck, not the hose.
Yeah, like come right out. I see it.
That look.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Where you need that?
Yes, oh, back it back. Now pump it up. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
See, it's not. That's the seam of the
radiator.
the radiator,
Yeah.
not the hose.
Not the hose itself. Okay.
Yeah. So you need a radiator. So I would definitely get a radiator and a thermostat.
Because thermostat would just put in about a couple weeks. That's new.
Don't worry about the thermostat. Just do the radiator and
Okay.
and this upper hose. The lower hose will have to come off by default to replace the
So
radiator.
then you get a hose so then.
I would get a radiator, upper and lower hoses. Yeah.
Now let me know and I'll order the radiator.
And the upper and lower
Upper and
hose.
lower hose.
All right. And remember those
What kind of
valve
radiator?
covers.
I mean, what is one this?
Once you tell them, once you tell them what kind of car you got, they'll be able to.
Where should I order from? Cause we normally go like the.
Whoever give you the best warranty.
Yeah.
Most of all of them lifetime warranty, you know. Right?
I don't know.
On the website, you might can get a
What
10,
website is
20 advanced auto and stuff like
Okay.
that. Advanced autos, you can put in some little code and it'll give you another 20% off. But yeah, it's at the seam.
Yeah, I seen that.
Seam of this it's black piece. This is
Why would
plastic.
it come in over there then? I mean, what was
They probably just trigger down and roll. Who knows?
Okay.
But you got to do them one at a time. Or you can see that's leaking. So
Yeah, I seen that.
we
Yeah,
gotta
right in
actually.
there.
We gotta. I thought it maybe was spitting out
From the hose.
right past that hose. No, but it's right there now. It happens. You got 100-some thousand miles out of it. Ain't you?
More than that.
Oh, you did
It
good.
cost over 200, maybe 300,000 almost.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had this since 2004.
Oh yeah. This was the go-to.
Brand new. It was like 6 miles. We got this car.
Man, I can drive it to the shop or whatever. I don't have to tow it. Waste no money on no tow bill. Ooh, well, guys. Yes, I'm leaving. Mission accomplished. All right. I will be taking that to Brothers Motors and getting that radiator done. Y'all saw the diagnostic. I hope y'all got something out of that. It's all about pressure, guys, when you're dealing with cooling system leaks. Hell, when you're dealing with any leaks for that matter, you want to put pressure on the system. Don't matter what the system is, but especially coolant system, okay? Put some pressure on it, that leak will likely rear its ugly head. All right, and that's what we did. That's how I found out. So now, I've never done one, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's a Hyundai. Hey, but a car is a car is a car. Philly D, Tim, all them guys out there that do all this stuff, all makes and models. Matter of fact, I'm about to go do what any other guy would do. That's a DIY. I'm about to get on YouTube and run a search. You know, it'd be funny if I likely find. I'm gonna see if Tim got any videos on. Tim always doing them crazy cars. So Tim and Astro Auto Repair. I'm gonna see if he got any videos out doing a radiator or water pump, anything cooling system on a Hyundai. Damn, I forgot what kind of. We'll find out, guys. But that's all I have, man, for this video. Until next time, when I bring the car to the shop, we're gonna knock it out. We all may can learn something, guys. Thanks for watching.